Good morning! It is like 9 o'clock. We're getting ready to head out of here. The forecast for today is supposed to be sunny for the rest of the week. So we're gonna charge long haul, go for the gold. However, I don't know if you can see this, but it's snowing. Nothing like a Colorado snow where it's like icy and you're stuck, but little white poofy clouds. We're gonna drive through it anyway. Hey, so today is our last official travel day in a row, so now we're gonna be able to take 2 or 3 days break once we get to our location, which is unknown yet. We are just outside of Louisville, Kentucky, where they make the bats and everything cool like that. We are staying at this campground, which is cool. You can see behind me is like a little West Town. They have like a shooting gallery in here. I don't know, all kinds, like a huge playground. Like, let me see if you could see all that stuff. Anyway, I don't know, it's really cool. So it's the last push. I'm ready. It's game time. We do kind of have a routine in the mornings. I'll wake up, Court will feed the baby and change her diaper and stuff, and I take the puppy dog out to go to the bathroom and make sure none of the pipes froze or anything crazy happened outside. So today I guess is supposed to be the last day of under freezing cold temperatures. It's been under 32 degrees Fahrenheit for the last 5-6 days, I think, for us. It's really cold. So now I think it's supposed to be up into the 50s. It is a balmy 27 degrees. Here's to hoping for warmer weather. We have arrived at the Ark Encounter. You can see it off in the distance behind this building. They have a parking area here, and then you get on a little bus, and then from that bus they'll take you to the actual Ark itself. I think it's like $10 to park or something. It's not too bad. We're just getting ready. Definitely one of the perks of traveling off season. You can see this parking lot behind me. There is nobody here. So we're gonna have no lines. It's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, this thing is massive. Look at this behind me. I've been on aircraft carriers before, but this is this is huge, huge. The very front of the ship, of the Ark, and just the beams that are coming out of here are massive. They showed us a cross section earlier of how thick this thing was made out of. It was super thick.
So it has seeds, nuts, dried fruits and vegetables, and different kinds of grains in it. And then the wider ones, so these are the skinny ones, but the wider ones have the liquid.
I guess a lot of the dimensions that were in the Bible, they recreated here, but there was a lot of details that they left out. So they just kind of filled in what was historically accurate at the time that they thought, and then did that. But some of these animals that are here are insane. So if you're planning on spending half the day here and then half the day at like the Creation Museum or something, this is the full experience. So I don't know if you can see behind me. Where's it at? Ah, right there. They have the zoo. I mean, they have a zoo right here, a full buffet behind me, and then like a funnel cake stand. I don't know, just a bunch of stuff. Yeah, a zip line, everything. But this is a full experience. So worth. I think, how much are the tickets? Normally like 80 bucks or something.
Yeah.
But it's totally worth the tickets. Look how big the whole of that is. Crazy.
So probably the coolest thing I've ever seen in this entire trip, or just ever in general. Everyone needs to see that at least once. That was probably like the coolest thing. We were there for like 5 hours and it felt like 2 hours, if that. So yeah. Okay, so we are in Kentucky, so naturally you want to get some Kentucky Fried Chicken, right? So tonight it is our mission to find some good Kentucky Fried Chicken. Wish us luck. So it literally smells like fried chicken. Like just the air in Kentucky smells like fried chicken. I think that was Colonel Sanders.
Found it! Found it!
They said the best fried chicken is actually KFC in Kentucky. So there's probably some secret sauce that they put in it that's not in any of the other states. We might have to find out.
Guys, today was a long day. Finley's tuckered out. She's taking a nap in the bedroom. And we have some KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. The real stuff. The real stuff. We're gonna end the video now. Relax for a day. Kind of hang out, do us. And we'll see you in the next episode.
Next stop, Nashville.
Nashville. Stick with us.
So, was the chicken finger licking good?
Finger licking good.